Okay, so you're gonna grab some pliers and some little rings to hook on the chain to the jean with. You can find them at like any local craft store, Michael's, AC Moore. Those are the only two I know. Or you could just like get it off your old jewelry, and that's mostly what I did. So if you're using your old jewelry like I am, just take apart your necklace, all the little parts that you won't need, and then see if you can try to like open the two ends of the necklace with a seam ripper. Poke a hole, just a little tiny like hole through the jeans where you want the parts to connect, and then try to push the little ring into the little hole. This is really like annoying. It's the freaking most annoying part of this, but it's all worth it because it looks good in the end. So that's basically your life for the next couple hours. And once you get it in there, just close it with your pliers. Listen, I don't know anything about pliers. If I'm using the wrong ones, I'm sorry. Maybe there's some experts out there, but those are the only two I have because I lost the rest of them. So like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.